Hi everybody, I'm Mark from Get Knotted Paracord, and today we're doing side stitching on a fishtail bracelet. Right, first of all you need yourself a finished fishtail bracelet. You also need about 5.5 feet of microcord and a fid. And what I've done, I poked the cord, I melted the end of the cord and poked it up through the first 4 loops on the underside of the bracelet, like that. Now you don't need one, but it really does help if you get yourself a paracord jig. Right, so to start off, we're going to run the microcord all the way down the outside of the bracelet, like that. And then with your fid, you're going to poke it underneath this first loop. Like that. Pull it down. And pull all the cord through. Like that. Then what you're going to do, you're going to get your fid, poke it underneath the second loop, like that, and then poke it down in between your microcord on your bracelet, like that. Pull it through, and what will happen is you get that. And then you do the same. Gone through the second loop, bring your fid up, put it through the third loop. Oops, third loop. Oh, I made a hole in the paracord. Never mind. And then bring it down. Yeah, try not to poke a hole in the paracord. Like that. And try to get these loops consistent. And then you do the same. Bring the fid up. Poke it through, do the fourth loop. Bring it down. Pull it through. And carry on all the way down. Right, so I've gone all the way down to the end, as you can see. What do you do at the end? Well, you just carry on. You carry on as before. You poke the cord through that last loop, like that. So I've gone all the way through, bring the cord over the top and poke through that first loop, he says. Then just go all the way down the other side and back as you did before. So I'll see you in a bit. So I poked it all the way through and I've brought the cord up along the side, down here, and then I'll just carry on, go through that first loop. It's a bit weird because I'm doing it left-handed. Yeah, make sure the fid goes in between the bracelet and the cord. And just keep going all the way down. One quick tip when you're going through the next loop, I go through the middle near the center of the bracelet. It just makes it easier to get through that loop like that. Right, so all I've done, I've carried on right to the very end, poked it under the first two. I would poke it under, normally I would poke it under the first four and come out where the weld is, but as you can see, I haven't left myself enough room with the weld of the blue. So basically I've come under two. I'm going to snip and singe it there, and that will be done. Right, there you go. That is side stitching on a fishtail bracelet. I think it came out quite well, actually. The first time I've ever done this. Practice makes perfect. I know it's not quite a good colour. If I did another one, I would do black paracord and do this in gold or something like that, but I'm pretty impressed. It feels like I've achieved something and gone up a skill level in my paracording. So yeah, I am well pleased with this. Anyway, as always, YouTube would like you to watch that video up there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hi Steve, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.